In this example, we're told that silver chloride is formed. If silver chloride is formed, that means that it is made. If it is made, then it is a product. So we need to make silver chloride. So I'm going to write silver is a type 1, so I'm going to use the type 1 rules, +1 on the silver. Chloride is Cl, and it has a -1 charge, so we need just 1 and 1, so that is the correct formula of our product. But what is it made from? Well, it is made from its elements. Is anything else made? Well, it doesn't mention anything else being made, so this must be the only thing made. This would be a synthesis reaction because you're taking elements and turning them into a compound. And so we need to figure out what elements were used here. The elements clearly have to be silver and chlorine. So we need to start with silver and chlorine. So we have to write formulas for silver and for chlorine. They can't be together because then they wouldn't be elements. So we're going to start out with silver. The symbol for silver is just Ag. And then we ask ourselves, is that one of our Hofbrinkel elements? Always ask yourself that. Is silver? No, it's not on the list. So we're done with silver. We need to now add it to the other element that we need to make silver chloride is chlorine. So we need to add chlorine. Then we ask ourselves, is that a Hofbrinkel element? And yes, it is. It's a Hofbrinkel element, so we need a subscript of 2. So now notice that we wrote silver that way because it was not a Hofbrinkel, not diatomic. We wrote chlorine that way because it is. And we wrote silver chloride that way because of the charges. That's all we looked at. We have not tried to balance it. We're starting out, like we said, figure out what goes where, write the formulas correctly without balancing, and then now that you've got all the formulas correct, we're going to balance it. And I believe I can balance this one by putting a 2 there and a 2 there. And that is our first example. We are done.